Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A27 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the wallpaper and style. So here we've got the preview of our lock screen and home screen. So all you need to do is to tap on change wallpapers, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available wallpapers from which we can choose. So here we've got the featured ones. You can also enter your own gallery. So for example, if you've got something downloaded or you've simply taken a photo, you can apply it to your wall as your wallpaper. And here more albums. You can also tap on get more wallpapers, and you can choose something from Galaxy themes, but you need to be logged in. So after finding the wallpaper, simply tap on it, and here we've got the we can decide where we want to apply it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. I'll choose both options, so let me tap on next. And here we've got the home and the lock screen. Basically, after loading, you will be able to, for example, frame it differently. So instead of using the star, you can use different shape here. You can also change the color here. So I'll pick maybe, I don't know, maybe this one. Change the color, so the color of the background. You can tap on this option here and change the color completely. So I'll pick maybe this one, tap on done, I like it more. You can also tap on effect and change the color inside, or you can simply apply the effect to the whole wallpaper, as you can see, the blur, for example, blurred background, etc. So I think I'll pick this option, maybe some kind of grayish tones. Tap on done. Okay, something like that, just to show you. If you're happy with the results, just tap on apply in the right upper corner, and here tap on done. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.